Okay, here's the walk around of this 2016 Bobcat T740. Looks like this is a single speed track machine, joystick controls. Got a good looking 78-inch bucket on it. These buckets can get changed out at times, so we'll definitely want to double check which bucket's on it when you purchase. This machine does have manual quick catch, so you do have to get out to lift the levers to switch between attachments. See quite a bit of paint missing there. Gonna go ahead and point out everything that I see on it, stuff that we already considered in the price. So the price is reflected of the condition, the hours, and the options. It does have flat face couplers. The glass all looks in great condition. Tracks look really good. Very close to new would be my opinion on those. The reason this is green is we purchased it from Sunbelt Rentals. They're a nationwide rental company. We buy and sell a lot of these machines. They typically trade them to us or sell them to us with lower hours, and we know they've been professionally maintained. They've been serviced regularly, greased all the time. They just make nice machines. Okay, looks like this was serviced on 4/22. Changed the engine oil, air filter, battery, checked everything else out. Everything else checked okay, at least until the next service is due. Does have a block heater. Looks like it has the backup alarm. And this is how you lift up that to check out your radiator. Very nice track machine. This can be upgraded to the Spearfish Equipment Edition, where we paint it green, put new decals on it and stuff. If you're interested in that, give us a call. Real nice T740, very popular machine. And I'll go ahead and restart when we get inside.